Well, it's Wednesday, and that means Hooked on Science is here. This could get you and the entire family hooked on science. This might be the one experiment that does it.
This is it.
Jason.
This is what's going to happen. So we're bringing science education with our own Jason Lindsay. What do we got going today?
We got a kid scientist here. What's your name?
My name is Adrian May.
And you are in what grade?
Fourth.
Is it true fourth graders smell like cheese?
No.
Oh, that's Chad over here. He
Hey,
smells like
oh,
cheese.
he's
Is
what
that
smells like
right?
cheese.
No. What are you doing in school right now? A lot of science?
Yep.
Favorite science experiment?
Yeah.
What is it?
We are learning today. What we're learning about is something about like generations, like tree, like
Germination?
Okay.
Trees growing?
yeah.
Yeah. And growing as we get closer to spring. Today we're going to make something grow, a gas grow inside of a can.
Yep. There are three matters:
What are they?
Oh.
Go ahead.
gas,
Yes.
liquid, and solid.
Give me 5. Awesome. That's a good job.
That's impressive.
It's all about something that takes up space and has mass. Do you know what that is? It starts with an M.
Matter.
Good job. This guy's pretty smart.
He's gonna be
Mom.
replaced.
Yeah, hey, I'm leaving. You want to take care of this? He's got some glasses on. You've got some glasses on. We got to protect your pretty face, Chad, to make sure your eyes don't get put out. I have baking soda over here and containers of vinegar over here. If I don't know what matter is, I describe it by its observable properties. I might touch it, rub it between my fingers. You can go ahead and do that if you want. It is kind of granular, if you will. Over here we have some vinegar. What do you think it smells like? Got a smell for it?
It smells like food vinegar.
Yeah, you're right.
Smells like vinegar.
It does. It stinks kind of. Why don't you take those and dump them in there for me? Not this one yet, but those right there. That's
I
the
got a
baking
lot of hair
soda.
product in, Jason. Is this going
There's
to
a
be
small
flammable?
chance you'll catch on fire,
All
Chad,
right.
but just
I don't
stop,
wanna look
drop, and roll.
I don't want to be like Jim Caldwell and bald.
You don't want to look like this.
Dump it all in there.
It takes a lot to look this good, baby.
We're going to do just 3, just in case if there's too big of an explosion. Then what I'm going to do is place this on the inside, but I want to take less. I'm trying to determine the best amount that's going to make my experiment work. Next, what I'm going to do is place this on top. So this is an old paint can. It's empty of any paint. It's a brand new one that you might mix your own paint in. I'm going to take my hammer and I'm going to hammer on carefully the lid. And what we're going to do is prove that when you mix together vinegar and baking soda, you get something new. It's called a chemical reaction. If everything works, we should get a big explosion. It may not work. I've got to mix it together.
But that went all
there
the way
it
to the-
goes.
It worked.
Where did that lid go?
It worked. It worked.
Is it over? And it did work. Wow, that was pretty cool. Where did the lid go?
Where did the lid go? It shot over the set.
It did.
That's a tomorrow problem.
Everybody is okay, right? As we
Is my hair still there?
Oh no, it's missing, dude.
Oh.
No, it's still there. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was that cool? Was that fun? Okay.
Yeah, that was fun.
blast.
Let's do that again.
Well, again, we don't know where the lid is.
Probably. Okay, but this time.
But let me show you what happens when we mix these together. How much do I have, Jim? How much time?
We've got, what do we got, 2 minutes left?
Okay, so
minutes, yeah.
when you mix these ingredients together, you get something new. So in here, it's empty right now. It's filled full of what? Air. I want to pour some baking soda. You're okay, Chad, I promise. Pour some baking soda in. Let's go ahead and do it in another cup over here. So we're going to let Chad do it on one side, and then we're going to let Jim do it on the other side.
Okay.
There's your baking soda right there.
Okay.
And then what I'm going to do next is pour some vinegar in here, and you're going to mix the two together. Not just yet, and we're going to see something happen. It's called a chemical reaction. When you mix 2 ingredients together, you get something new. For example, if I take a piece of paper and rip it into a million pieces, you still got paper. That's a chemical. That's a physical reaction.
Right.
But here, it's going to fizz. It's going to bubble. This might get sopping wet. Are you ready to mix them together?
Yes.
Are you sure about this, Chad?
I'm not sure about
Are you
anything
positive?
right now.
Which way should I go?
Yeah.
What do you think? It's
how
your
do we pour?
experiment.
Well, I guess it doesn't matter.
Okay,
so.
go. Put it in. Let's see what.
A
Yeah,
volcano.
see there?
Yeah, that's exactly what it looks
Watch
like.
out, Bill
doesn't it?
Nye.
That's right. We've got Mr. Science with us.
That happened inside of the can, and you hear it fizzing, it's bubbling, it's creating a carbon dioxide gas. When you drink soda, you got something to say?
It's like It's like it fizzles.
It does. It fizzles, doesn't it? And it's the same gas that's created in soda that makes you burp out loud, or it tingles in your mouth just a little bit when you drink soda. You got carbon dioxide gas.
Look right there.
It's okay. We can just make it go back so it doesn't get on the floor or Jim's beautiful feet.
Oh yeah, we don't
Right.
want to do that.
We don't want it to smell like vinegar all day long.
Yeah.
But
These
so
are
what about
switches.
for that?
What about for what?
This.
This? Yeah, we got to have the lid on that one to make that pop up. into
That
the end.
lid went way back
Shot
there.
over the set and knocked someone in the head over there. You
Oh,
think?
yeah.
Tell me about your bow tie. I like it. It's got what on it?
It's colorful.
It is colorful. It's got the planets. I see the sun. I see Earth. I see
rocket ship.
all kinds.
Is
of
that
different
you
ones.
as the astronaut right there?
Are you going to be an astronaut? What do you want to be when you grow up?
Paleontologist.
Oh, he
we got
wants
a
to
real
go-
Ross Geller in the training right
He
here.
wants
We
to go
do.
look for dinosaur bones. You know, we have never discovered a dinosaur bone in the state of Kentucky just yet. But
Yet.
if we were to find one, it would be in the western part of the state because they're closer to the Mississippi and the river over there. Cool. Awesome.
Learn something new every
Wow,
day.
fantastic. People want to find out more about you and all your fun experiments.
They
Jason.
can go to hookedonscience.org, and once you're there, you can connect on social media, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
Awesome.
You're all over the place. and here in a few minutes, you'll be able to find a selfie of all of us.
Yes.
There's one
Post one.
coming. There's one coming here in just a few minutes.